Hello friends, this is Babay Chakrabarti, CS Print, and today I will discuss about bill of exchange. Okay, suppose let's think that at first we talk about the concept of rebate. Okay, let's think that Ram is a seller and Dev is a buyer. Ram sold goods to Dev on 1 1st January 2020. Okay, term equals to 3 months. That means Ram issue a bill. That means Ram drawn a bill. Okay, drawn a bill, and Dev also accept. Okay, fine. So what will be the entry in the books of Ram? At first Ram sell goods, okay, on 1 1 2020. In the books of Ram, the entry will be debtor account debit to sales. That means being goods sold. Okay, and in the same day, in the books of Dev, the entry will be purchase account debit to creditors. Okay, so what will be the entry in 1st January 2020? Debtors account debit to sell. Come on, debtors account debit to sell. Okay, and purchase account debit to creditors in the books of Dev. Okay, come on, once more, debtors account debit to sell and purchase account debit to creditors. Okay, let's think that what will be the maturity rate. The maturity rate will be date of purchase 1 1 20 plus term of the bill 3 month plus grace day, that is 3 day. Okay, so answer will be 4 4 2020. 3 month add in the month and also 3 day add in the day. Okay, so 4 4 2020 will be the maturity rate. Now see that here Ram purchased the goods, okay, and the term of the bill is 3 months, so maturity date will be 4 4 2020. Okay, now let's think that they want to pay in advancely. He want to pay the advanced, so it is called rebate. Okay, so Ram is entitled to rebate. Okay, it will be may 12% per annum, it may be happened. Okay, now let's think that what will be happened. Okay, so it will be count the rebate date will be calculated. Rebate date will be calculated from the date of payment to the maturity date. This is the maturity date. Okay, it will be 2 month, 2 3 not 2 month. Okay, it will be 2 month, 2 and 3, so 2 month. Okay, now think that Ram draw a bill, so the entry will be bills receivable account debit to Dev, and in the books of Dev it will be Ram account debit to bills payable. Okay, now the rebate will be bank account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable, because who paid the rebate? Rebate give the Ram, okay, drawer, and Dev is drawee. So who paid the rebate? Ram paid the rebate. Okay, so rebate is a expense or loss. So all expense increase, that means debit. Expense decrease, that means credit. So rebate account is credit, debit. Okay, now bills receivable account and bank account. Okay, so bank account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable account, and in the books of Dev it will be bills payable account debit to bank to rebate. Okay, come on, bills account debit, bills payable account debit to bank to rebate. Once more, bills payable account debit to bank to rebate. Okay, okay, so in the books of Ram account it will be bank account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable, because rebate is a expense or loss. Okay, what rebate is a expense or loss, and rebate is increases, so it will be debit, and here rebate received, and this, and that's why it will be income, so it is credit. Okay, because income increase is credit. Okay, so bills payable account debit, bank account debit to rebate, and here bank account debit, the rebate account debit to bills receivable account. Now this is the next concept, discount of bill. Okay, so discount of bill, suppose think Ram sell on date 1/1/2020 to Dev. ठीक है, so the term of the bill is 3 months. Okay, and the price is 10,000. Now Ram went to bank and said that I want to discount my bill, and bank said okay, you give me your bill and I will go to Dev, then I will recover your money. Okay, so Ram give the bill, then bank said that you have to pay this charge. Okay, you have to pay this charge, it will be 12%, it will be 10%. Okay, so the discussing made in 1/2/2020. Now the maturity date 4/4/2020, and bank went to Dev and recover his money, and Dev give those money. Okay, bank goes to Dev and Dev give those money. Okay, so the maturity date is 4/4/2020. So what will be the entry in this era? Okay, so what will be the sales entry? The sales entry will be Dev account debit to sales 10,000 and purchase account debit to Ram. Okay, it will be 10,000. Okay, and the next entry will be for bill drawn, that is bills receivable account debit to Dev, and here Ram account debit to bills payable. It is the Dev books and it is the Ram book. Okay, so the entry will be bills receivable account debit to Dev and the Ram account debit to bills payable. Okay, So in the date of discount, when Ram go to the bank, it will be the entry will be made only the books of Ram account. Okay, so the entry will be bank account debit, discount account debit, because discount Ram discount paid, allow discount. Okay, and to bills receivable account, and here no entry will be made. And in the date of maturity, when date will be comes into the maturity, so that is 4/4/2020, so it will be made no entry in the books of Ram account, because already entered, he already paid his bill to bank, and bank received the money. Okay, bank received the money, so here he will be not liable for this. Okay, so the discount only so discount when discount will said in the question, so only liable when discount will be made, that is bank account debit, discount account debit, he paid discount. So in the bills receivable, bank the amount will be comes to the he already received the money from the bank. Okay, he don't need any money from the dev, he already received the money. So what will be the entry in here? No entry, because it will be made only bank entry in the books of bank account. Okay, so here it will be made only and he formally shows his entry, that is bills payable account debit to bank, because he his money is less, so money goes out, so bank is credit, and bills payable cancel. Okay, bills payable account debit, here credit and here debit, so cancel. So it will be shows the payment made. Okay, fulfilled, honored. Okay, so the entry will be made. What will be the entry in the maturity date? Come on, once more. 4/4/2020, here no entry will be made, and 4/4/2020, here bills payable account debit to bank account. Okay, if you like the video, then please share and hit the like button. Okay.